Okay, so here is our toolbar. So the toolbar icons, this one will take you to the front screen, which again toggles, right? So it toggles back and forth. So the front Tableau front sheet, where you have the three panels, you can use this to connect to data and so on. If you click that back, you're back into the sheet. Okay. And this is undo and redo, the left arrow and the right arrow. And this is your save. Okay. And this is adding new data source. Okay. Same thing like data, new data source. You can do that. Okay. Now this is for updating the existing worksheet. No, that one. Yeah, auto update. All right. This is update worksheet, and this is update data source. This is new data source. Now this one is what? New worksheet. Add the new worksheet. Okay. So this is to duplicate. Suppose if you have a visualization and you want to keep that and then add some more data or some other stuff onto that visualization. So you can make a copy of it and then you can work on that. Okay, so say for example here we are in sheet 2. Click that. So then we have sheet 4 and sheet 2 are exactly the same thing. Okay, so and that is to clear the entire sheet. Okay, so this is for swapping rows and columns. This is sort in ascending, sort descending, and this is what? This is grouping variables into hierarchies. So this is for, suppose if you have like here the marks are shapes, right? So if you click that, then you'll get the value of the mark. So it gives you text, labels each of the marks. Okay, so this one is already these are numbers, so that's why it is dimmed. So here when you have a plot that does not include the values, if you click this, it again toggles back and forth to put the values in the visualization. Okay, so this is for fixed axis. Okay, this is for the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, let's put department into filters. All right. Okay. So now what I'm trying to illustrate here is what fixed does. Okay. So this icon here says if you click that, then the axis are fixed. So it goes from 0 to 300, the x-axis, and 0 to 15,000 on the y-axis. So now if you unselect furniture, right? So now it's plotting only office supplies and technology. It is not plotting furniture. Okay. Don't worry about the filters. We'll look at filters later on. Right now I want to illustrate what happens to the fixed, what fixed does to the axis. Okay. So now the axis is still 0 to 300, even though the marks go only up to here. There are no marks over here, but still the axis is fixed at 0 to 300 and 0 to 15,000. So see, if I unfix it, so see what happens. The x-axis is automatically rescaled, okay, to the values that are plotted. So fixed axis and axis not fixed. So that's what this is. Okay. Now this one is just the appearance. Okay, fit width, entire view. Okay. Standard is good for us. What is this? This is show or hide cards. Okay, so that would be like if I if I say page shelf, the page shelf is gone. Okay? So you can put page shelf back, the page shelf comes here. So this one is full screen, and this is for sharing with the server. So you can do Tableau online and upload your lovely little visualization into the server. Okay. So, all right. It turns out that we didn't even need the Access database this time. We're running out of time. All right, so we will stop here.